The characteristics of all plants, such as size, shape, and color, are determined by their DNA and the environment. Think of DNA as the instruction manual for the plant, with stretches of DNA, genes, producing and passing on these traits. Natural selection tends to favor genes that enable plants to become better adapted to their environments. Some examples could be genes that enable plants to compete for light, water, and nutrients, defend themselves from being eaten, and disperse their seeds over long distances. Humanity has been tinkering with selective breeding for thousands of years, long before people even knew what genes were. As a result, crop varieties today yield more and may be more nutritious than their ancestors. With today's science, there are new and faster ways to improve crop varieties, something needed to meet growing demand in the world.
Genetic modification, or GM, is one way to improve crop varieties. GM involves adding a gene from one species into a different species, giving it new or different characteristics. The new gene becomes part of the GM plant. For example, a gene from spinach could be inserted into a fruit plant to help the fruit plant resist a disease and produce more fruit.
Gene editing, such as CRISPR, is another way to improve crop varieties. CRISPR works like a word processor to edit the text of the DNA instruction manual to improve the directions the plant receives. CRISPR can accurately target a specific part within a gene to be altered, causing a break in the DNA and using the cell's natural repair machinery to introduce changes. For example, the genes of a fruit could be edited to produce a fruit plant that can resist a disease and produce more fruit.